Welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Today I'm showing you how to turn a simple store-bought chicken into a gourmet meal. It starts with the ultimate flavor base, caramelized onions. I'm using 3 large white onions sliced thin. I use a mix of butter and olive oil. The butter adds richness while the olive oil helps stabilize the heat, so we can go low and slow. Be patient. No sugar is needed here. After about 40 minutes, the natural sugars break down into this deep, jammy gold color. While the onions are cooking down, let's prep our base. Now, let's start with the couscous. I'm folding in half a cup of diced red and green bell peppers. Add 1.5 cups of couscous to a glass container with 400 milliliters of boiling water. Cover it, let it steam, and then fluff it up. This is the canvas for all our bright and fresh flavors. To season the couscous, add the bell pepper, a pinch of salt, the juice of half a lime or lemon, and a drizzle of chili olive oil for a touch of heat. Finish your couscous with fresh coriander for extra flavor. Your zesty couscous and sweet caramelized onions are now ready to be served with that delicious chicken. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cooking with the Darlings for more easy home cooking. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now!